Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo blog. All right. Now, I saw a video. You know what I mean? I saw a video. I see it over the news also. But I was watching a video and, you know what I mean, that lady they catch a fire in Jamaica at the gas station. Man, I'm going to tell you something, man. It's only in a movie I see these things. Just movie only. Only I see these things. So, see something like this happen. Or, you know what I mean, unless if it's war or something like that. But see something like this happen and with your real eyes, man, it's sad. If you know that in Jamaica, people would have done something like this to someone. Man, it doesn't matter what the other person, once the other person didn't touch you, if he was just talking, I don't know what happened. It's only God in heaven and the two person who was stand up there could see what happened. But see something like this really happen. You know what I mean? If someone that does do something like this, man, I'm telling you, my heart range. And the question I would have asked, it doesn't matter what happened, why would you have done something to a person like this? It's crazy, man. If you see the whole thing, the picture of it, what's going on with this, that moment, you know what I mean? Someone has done something to someone like this. Now, this is to tell you that evil is still on the planet. And it is coming like evil is even greater than before. Because, you know what I mean, catch someone a fire like this, man. It's not, that's, you know what I mean? It's like, no, you're trying to show the other person so you're bigger than God. You understand? Because do something like that, you know what I mean? It's only God, when God was going to destroy the planet, that's what he's going to do. But it's to show you that the enemy is still strong and is still in this universe I do crazy stuff like this same way. Man, I don't know what I can say about that person who did that, but it's wrong, to be honest with you. You see, once that person didn't touch you, if he was just talking and he didn't hurt you or anything, there's no right for you to do something like that. Trust me, it's wrong, man. Wrong. So, lady, anyone who do that, boy, I'm telling you, man, I don't know what to say. There's no way under this earth you could have done something to someone like that. It's really, really bad. All right? But as I say, I will keep you guys update. And, you know, as I say, it's touched my heart. That's the only thing I can say at the moment. It's really bad. Leave your comments because I don't know the story. I only saw a video. Just a little piece of video I was watching because I was at work and I was watching a piece of video and I said, okay, I need to see some more. But anyway, I keep you guys updated and soon as I see some more of it, all right? A good vibes.